Designed to meet UL standards set in 2018, new regulatory UL 858 coil elements improve the performance of your cooktop by sensing the cooking temperature and keeping that temperature within an appropriate range, reducing the risk of cooktop oil and grease fires. The coil elements detect the temperature and will begin cycling power off and on to maintain an appropriate cooking temperature. The time at which the cycling begins and the duration of the on and off cycle may vary from seconds to minutes, depending on the cookware being used and the food being heated. Each coil element has a silver medallion with a button in the center. The button must contact the bottom of the cookware for the coil to work properly. Make sure the entire bottom of the cookware has a flat surface and is making solid contact with the coil. Test the cookware by pressing a ruler against the bottom. You should not be able to pass a nickel between the ruler and the cookware. Be sure to match the diameter of the cookware to the size of the coil. Do not use small diameter cookware on a large diameter coil element. Also, be sure the cookware is evenly weighted. If the cookware is too light or the amount of food is not enough to weigh down the cookware, the sensor on the center of the coil will not work properly. For cooking light foods, use heavier cookware and reduce power to the surface unit to achieve optimal performance.